Without heavy machinery, suddenly your entire team is reduced to wheelbarrows and shovels, watching deadlines slip away with every load. What if you had a construction rental company who truly understood the setbacks of machine failure? When you're missing that vital piece of machinery and your crew is ready to work, panic sets in as you wonder how you will explain the delay to your client. That's where Easy Rentals steps in. We've heard your stories, those last-minute emergencies, the desperate phone calls, the looming deadlines, and we've made it our mission to be your lifeline. We understand the urgency of your situations and the pressure you're under. That's why we offer not just machines, but solutions. Call us today at 469-268-2769 and experience the power of the right equipment right when you need it. Or visit our website at easyrentals.us.